Hello and welcome to the brief intro of the xaitMap for Unity user interface. Let's start with a Window tab. You can find an xaitNavMesh entry there. Selecting this opens the NavMesh build window. This window gives you access to the most important build parameters like unit radius and maximum slope, or more advanced parameters like cube and sector size. All these parameters influence the look and feel of the navigation mesh. Let's turn to the Component tab now. You can find an xaitMap entry there as well. It gives you access to components like the navigation mesh surface, which you typically add to game objects for static geometry, the collision component, which makes dynamic objects to colliders, and finally the move component, which you assign to all objects that should be controlled by the movement. We have added two pre-designed behaviors as well, namely follow entity and waypoint patrol. In the Game Object tab, you can create xaitMap game objects. These are waypoint groups, for example, for graphically scripting lists of target positions for entities to walk to, or blocking boxes, which you can use to switch certain parts of the navigation mesh on and off dynamically, for destroying bridges, for example. Blocking planes are also there, which you can use for bidirectional dynamic blockings. And finally, spawn points, which serve as a seed for the NavMesh calculation. You can also access those xaitMap objects directly via the Game Object hierarchy. Selecting an object and assigning an xaitMap component to it gives you access to the respective script in the inspector window. Adding an xaitMap behavior lists the respective script in the inspector window as well. That's all for now. Thank you and look out for more videos.